Good morning, guys. So here I want to show you one of the city corner in Bulelawang. Exactly in the Jalan Raya, in the Krebet Street, beside the Krebet Factory. You can look further. This is the Krebet Factory. So let's. The name of this place is Warung Mbak Susi. You have to go to here for eat some food is favorite food. There are tahu lontong, tahu telur, and soto. So let's go to inside. So here there are many menu here, cigarette, and the drink is you can look by yourself. Here I have ordered the one of menu here. I ordered two because I am hungry right now. So I ordered the ice milk and this is the tahu telur, tofu egg tofu. And guys, the taste is very good, although the price is cheap, but the quality of this food is very good, is very delicious. You have to try it.
Когда водила протянул аукс, все мои волки делают ауф.